Why people always say no money, no honey? I know sometimes kind of sound funny or maybe sound stupid, but this reality, okay? I know I deal with enough that kind of people. So I know, okay, I deal with both sides of people. I deal with the rich, I deal with the poor, okay? So I know what that means. I know sometimes I know rich people who want to get rid of whatever their friend, whoever, they just say, I'm broke. Okay, I'm broke. Will you still want to be my friend? So that way you know who who is your friend or who are your friend. Okay? I know in the world, okay, this day life is not easy, okay? Some people they play game, and I know most people they are play game. So life is not easy, but that is game of life, okay? No money is no honey, okay? I know I even have a gorgeous girlfriend, okay? I even know that she's gorgeous, but you know what she say? She say, I don't care what a guy look like as long he have money. She said that. I was wow. And one day, you know, I dressed poorly and I act like I wasn't fashionable person anymore. I act stupid. I was really down and out. And do you know what? She blocked my number until now. But I know, I know she's not my girlfriend anymore. You know what I mean? I know that that kind of friend is not my friend anyway. You know what I mean? And she say, I don't care what a guy look like as long he have money. She say, if they have money, they have honey. But I know that, I am not that kind of person. Okay, I know. Even I met few guys who are actually millionaire. I didn't know they were millionaire. Okay, so and most guy I hang out and they never the guy who truly have money, they never brag about who they are anyway. Actually they try to hide that they are have money or they're wealthy man. Okay, so that you know what I mean, that most people judge people what kind of car they drive or what kind of house they live, you know what I mean? So you can always tell, okay? And happened for me too, one time I met a guy who regular Joe with regular job and they actually own like few house, okay? So that, and I was so surprised, the guy who make around $1,000 a week and own like about 3-4 house, you know what I mean? Like worth like, each house worth like at least $2 million. I was surprised. You know what I mean? So you cannot tell anyway sometimes. The guy with regular job can be wealthy guy too, do you know what I mean? So you can't really judge people anyway. But today I'm gonna talking about what happened if you don't have money, okay? Okay, if you don't have money, just become the money. To become the money, you have to educate yourself, okay? Constantly educate yourself, read or whatever, read or listening, try to be good listener, okay? And and educate yourself every day, and you will learn every day. And there are a lot of people, they have a lot of money, but they don't educate themselves too. You know what I mean? So people who have money, they're willing to pay for your knowledge, your education. So they will buy you or pay you to think for them. That's what I mean. Become the money, or you educate yourself enough, you will know where everything coming from, and you will know how. Do you know what I mean? So if you don't have money, become the money. Okay? So, educate yourself all the time, and you will learn. You will learn every day. And and you will like yourself more. Okay? So if you don't have money, become the money. Okay? And like I say, you have to learn all the time and figure things out yourself of what to do next. Okay? That way you always have money, or you always have honey. Okay? Okay, but honey, I know honey, that's what I mean, that you can get what you want, honey, to me. Okay? Not exactly you get the love, but I know money, to me, money can't buy love. Okay? You know what I mean? If money can buy love, I probably not even single right now. Okay? So, you know what I mean? So I want to learn how to make on my own. Okay? And I will be happy, because I did have that in the past. So now I become the new me. Okay? The new me is, I go the guy for love, not for money. Okay? So, but that's why now I love myself. I don't love anybody. Maybe I love my children, my family. Okay? Brother, sister, or my kid, or aunt, uncle. Okay? Okay. So if you don't have money,